It's not even my brain.
We had to repair the damaged areas, but we didn't interfere with your emotion or your intellect. You understand me, Alex? You're in control.
I'm in control.
Yes.
Okay. If I'm in control, then I want to die. Just unplug whatever it is keeping me alive and end this nightmare.
Now say I did that.
Something went wrong. You did everything you could, but I died.
So after all they've been through, all the pain, all their hope restored, we just ripped that away. Your wife loves you, Alex. She loves you, and she gave you a second chance. I need you to take it.
I don't see myself like this again. Ever. And the same goes for my family. Just put me back